Congratulations to everyone that passed DGC exams in 2021 attempt. A big round of applause, pat your back and remind yourself that the pursuit is not over yet. Keep the same attitude all the way to that right seat in an airliner and even afterwards. Alright, I'm not going to drop the mic there. There is certainly more to it. I wanted to take this moment to also address to the candidates who could not clear DGC exam in this attempt. Maybe they haven't taken the DGC exam seriously yet, or for some reason they haven't been able to give enough time and importance to DGC exams. If you are still becoming a pilot and haven't yet cleared the DGC exam, this part is for you. Don't worry, this is not the end of the world. DGC exams are challenging. You probably missed on some key ingredients that are vital for not only DGC exams but also for a successful pilot career. Let's get the mindset right with this short video. Common causes of failure we'll discuss now. Mistake number 1. Underestimating the amount of work that needs to be put in. As you know, the shortest distance between any 2 points can only go as short as great circle distance. But that distance has to be covered in order to get to your destination. Like any other career, even pilot career is challenging. While you can shorten the time to achieving the desired success by squeezing in more efforts in shorter period of time, but the price has to be paid in order to get to the heights that you desire. Buckle up, prepare to put in work, gain knowledge, and as a result of doing that, you will succeed. Mistake number 2. Not heading in the right direction. Hard work without a path is futile. Having your goals in laser beam focus is one of the most important character trait. Once you have that, every step that you take should move you closer to that goal. This process fuels your journey to your success. Focus all your time, energy, and all other resources in this first step of your aviation career. Once this is done, then off to the next step. Do whatever it takes to climb the ladder all the way to your dream of becoming an airline pilot. Mistake number 3. Not having the right guidance. There is no point in reinventing the wheel. Seek guidance from someone who has already achieved the success that you desire. The right guidance will show you the shortest path for success in your pilot career. At CNTAA, I walk you through each step and take it as my responsibility to propel you forward. I have done what it takes to get here. I did learn from both mistakes and wins of my own as well as others. I am excited to share these learnings with you. Having walked through the path, now I can tell you with certainty how to reach those skies that you aspire for. Let me help you and let's work on passing your DGC exams and successful pilot career together. CNTAA had amazing results in both CPL and ATPL exams. Matter of the fact, everyone that completed and passed in CNTAA full courses successfully has cleared in respective subjects of the DGC exams. So many names to pat on their back for their success. I'm honestly overwhelmed with emotions by seeing my students succeed. Every time I see my students passing DGC exams, pass airline assessments, get recruited into an airline, get upgraded as a captain, this is the same set of emotions I go through. It never gets old and it is sure happiness. The work that my students have put in, the work that team CNTAA has put in, these results make it all worth it. Mistake number 4. Only learning tricks and not understanding the concepts. She wished for a weapon but not the skill to wield it. In last DGC exam, questions were specially asked in different manner. Candidates that only studied tips and tricks could not get through or barely passed, cause it seems DGCA exams are adopting to exactly what matters. DGCA wants you to be thorough with your knowledge. The structure of the questions has changed and it will keep on changing in future. But if you know the concepts, you have nothing to worry about. Knowing concepts makes you bulletproof and that's unstoppable. You are not scared about how the question is going to be once you know the concept, because at this point you are truly ready to answer whatever that's asked to you. At CNTAA courses, I primarily focus on concepts and solve thousands of questions and make sure that student understands so much that he or she could explain it. That being said, I am not against learning tricks to memorize. I teach those myself to students in CNTAA courses, but not before making sure that they have understood the concepts in detail. Alright. Mistake number 5. Giving up halfway. Do not give up until you succeed. Pilot training and assessments will test you around every corner. Will test your abilities, skills, knowledge, attitude every now and then. So buckle up and prove yourself because you can. I am here to guide you all the way. It might not be as easy as you thought it would be, but I can assure you with certainty that it will all be worth it as you fly that airplane at 38,000 feet. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, rooting for your success in aviation career. That's it. There you have it. On the end note, the idea behind this channel is to touch lives of each aspiring pilot in the most positive way and empowering them with the right set of knowledge. There is a lot of misinformation about pilot career in aviation training industry, and I don't want you to be the victim of that misinformation. If you did miss it in the last attempt, don't worry. Like I mentioned, you are not done until you succeed. It's been in the rumors for years, but it's happening for real now. DGCA has rolled out online on-demand examination. Take full advantage of this online on-demand exam pattern. More of that in the other video. If you are an aspiring pilot, then sign up for courses on CNTAA's online on-demand learning platform for your DGCA exams and success in pilot career. Link is there in the description. Good luck and I wish you an awesome pilot career ahead. Bye.